Hi, I'm Sri Kumar. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to take you through our Kedakanda trek, which we did in March 2019. It was my first trek, and that too was a snow trek. We were six of us on the trek: I, my wife, our friend Sharath, his wife Silpa, Lona, and Pooja. Lona and Pooja joined us in Dehradun just before starting the journey. The mountain peak Kedarkantha is a part of the Himalayas which is at an altitude of 12,500 feet, that is 3,800 meters. It is in the Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand in India. There are many trek operators conducting Kedarkantha trek, and we booked our trek with Geo Adventures. Mr. Jaychand Chauhan was our leader and guide for the trek. Welcome to the trek. Kedarkantha trek starts from a village called Sankri. Sankri is about 190 kilometers from Dehradun and normally takes around 8 to 9 hours by road via Mussoorie. It is at an altitude of 6,445 feet. The drive takes you along the path of Yamuna and through pine forest. You can see the Dehradun railway station, and we started our journey in a forced tempo traveler at 7:15 in the morning. As we near Mussoorie, we can see the mountains and the pine trees on both sides. We are now passing through Kempty, and you can see the beautiful Kempty Falls. Though from a distance, it is a beautiful view. We have now stopped for breakfast at Kempty. Continued our journey, and now we are on the way to the Purola village. You can see the river flowing along the sides of the road with mountains at the backdrop. This is the Purola village. We had lunch there at Rana Hotel and continued our journey. The density of population gets reduced as we move away from Purola. Mustard farms are found on both sides of the road. You can see construction in progress along the banks of the river. A tunnel is being constructed for bringing water for irrigation. Road works are also in progress, and the road is very narrow and bumpy for some distance. We saw many tempo travelers passing us on both sides, carrying tourists, and HPTC buses carrying regular passengers. The destination range Kedarkantha can be seen from distance, covered with ice, even though it was a sunny day. The Kedarkantha range is more clearly visible now. We are nearing the Sankri village, and you can see the base camp at a distance. This is the base camp of Geo Adventures. You can see the Swiss and Alpine tents for accommodating the tourists and their staff. We reached at the campsite at about 4 in the evening. Hot ginger tea was excellent. The temperature was about 21 degrees, and we could manage with normal dresses. You can see our guides Jaychand on the left and Vijay on the right wearing caps. They briefed us about the facilities and what we will be doing in the coming days. After the tea, we kept all our luggage in the tents and went out for a stroll at the Sankri market and nearby places. The view was scenic and mesmerizing. It was nearing sunset by that time. The Swagarohini peak was illuminated by the setting sun. An amazing view. We came back to our base camp and had dinner around 7:30. The guides briefed us about the trek plan before going to bed. We were asked to be ready by 9 in the morning after finishing the breakfast. By then, the temperature had started dropping and came up to 15 degrees in the night. The tents were having double protection. It was a twin sharing tent with mattresses and double blankets provided for extra comfort. That was end of the day one, and we all went to sleep.